all? Wait a minute.
I will do horse.
Where are all the animals? Okay.
This one.
What is that?
This.
No, and that's not right.
This one.
No, what's that?
Horse.
Okay, where's the horse?
This one.
No.
This.
No.
This.
No.
This.
No.
This.
No.
This. This.
Yes, horse. Okay, what's next? What is that?
This.
No.
Oh, look, you do this one. Okay.
No, let's finish this one. Let's finish the animal.
This one.
What is that?
Crocodile.
Crocodile. Good job. What is that one? What is this?
This is
Hippopotamus.
hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus. What's this?
Chicken.
Where's the chicken? Look for the chicken.
This one.
Yes. Good job. What do you have
And
next?
this one.
What's that?
Pig.
Good job.
Is this little fish?
Little fish.
Is this one?
Fish in a bowl.
And a cow.
Cow. Good job.
What's this next here?
What's the next one?
This is
What is that? What's that? What's that?
this giraffe.
That's right. Good job,
Giraffe.
Oh, okay. You remember. Okay, what's this?
Lion.
Good job. Lion. Good job.
Oh,
What's that?
tiger.
That's a tiger?
Yes.
Looks more like a cat.
It's more scared.
More like a cat. Oh, you know this one? Do you know this one?
This.
What is that? What is that, Adrian? Kangaroo.
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 Okay.
Okay.
What else?
What is
What else? Oh, what's that?
Bird.
It's a bird. It's a parrot. Okay. What do you have?
Sheep.
Sheep.
What's the dog?
Oh, I think we're missing the dog. Oh, right here. Oh, that's not a dog. What is that? What is that?
Rabbit.
Yes, rabbit. What is the rabbit? Where's the rabbit?
This.
Okay, we're finished with this one. I think we lost the dog. We lost our dog. Okay, next. Let's do the numbers.
Let's do this.
Let's do the numbers. What's this?
It's an oval.
No, this is 0.
0.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll do the 20s. This one.
20? You want to go straight to 20?
This.
No. Where's 20?
This.
No.
This.
Yes.
Yeah.
Good job.
This.
What's that?
3.
Where's 3? Where's 3?
This.
Yes.
Star. I'm star.
Good job.
No more.
Where's the rest?
This.
What is that?
6.
Oh, right. Good job. That's 9. Yes, that's 6.
I want to count that.
Okay. You have to
This.
flip it around. That's 9. Yeah, that's right. Good job. Good job. Okay, what's that?
This is 7.
That's not 7. That's 1, I think.
1.
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. You okay? Where do you put 1? Right by the 0. Yeah.
Umbrella.
Umbrella?
Papa Rainy.
What's that?
Oh. There's a no number here.
What is this?
8.
Oh, right. Good job. Where's number 8? Where do you put number 8?
No, this is another. This is another card. It's another one.
Number 8's right here.
Huh? What's the 8? Oh, right there.
Let's flip it around. Okay.
All right.
All right.
What's this?
What is that?
This
That's a 1 and a 7.
1, 7.
17. Where do you put 17? Where do you put 17? Yes, 17.
Books.
17. What's that one?
This is
You know that one, right?
1. What's this?
0.
0.
What's that, Adrian? You put it right here? Right after the 9. What comes after 9?
This is not 9.
It's not 9, but it comes after 9.
It's after 9.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
And 10.
Yeah, this is 10. This is 10.
What's this?
What's this? Where do you put this?
Where they put this?
Right here.
Yeah. All right.
What's that?
2.
It's 14. This one is 14.
This one's a 14.
Okay, what's this one?
That's a 14.
What's this one?
That's a 14.
No, that's 12. Where do you put 12? Where do you put 12, Adrian?
This one.
Yes, 12.
See, it's good. And the color 3, color green. Oh, you know this.
You know this. Yeah, what is that?
As a 5.
Yes, 5. Where do you put 5? Where's number 5? Where's number 5? Where's number 5? Where's number 5? Where is it? You missed it. It's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Where's number 4?
Oh, this is a bit. Oh, this one.
Yes. Oh my goodness.
It's like this. Ooh.
18. Yeah, 18. That's not 18. Right here, this one's 18. 17, 18. Yeah, 18. What's this? 19. No, 19's right here, after 18. 18, 19, 20.
Where's it go? Here.
Hey, no, you're gonna turn it. It doesn't go there, Adrian. It's 13. 12. Adrian, 12, 13. 12, 13, 14. Yeah, 13. 14. 15. Where's 15? Where's 15?
This one.
No, that's 11. Where's 15? Yes. 15. Okay, 16. Where's 16? Yes, that's 16. Okay, what's that?
That's a car.
Yes, 2.
This is number 2.
Okay.
And I love flip it.
Yes, flip it.
And this 7.
Yes, 7.
What's
Okay.
this?
11.
11.
11. Flip it.
What's up for number 4?
I don't think we have number 4.
What's up for number 4?
We lost number 4. Okay, finish.
Number 4.
Yeah, where's number 4? Oh, can't find number 4. We don't have number 4. It's lost. Okay.
This is my last.
Yeah, it was.